everyone, I'm back doing another update video about tomorrow's risk, but if you have not seen today's risk, there is a moderate risk, which is a 4 out of 5, and this does include a 10% significant tornado threat, and that does include parts of Oklahoma, Missouri, and Kansas. So some places in this 10% significant area, that includes Tulsa, Oklahoma, St. Louis, Missouri, Springfield, Missouri, Columbia, Missouri, Broken Arrow, Arkansas. Then there's a 10% area surrounding this, which does include Norman, Oklahoma, and Oklahoma City as well. And then there's also a 30% significant risk for wind, and that includes Springfield, Missouri, Jefferson City, Missouri, and St. Louis, Missouri as well. There's also a 45% significant hail risk, so that is very large hail is likely, and that does include Norman, Oklahoma, Fort Silk, I can't exactly see, sorry about that, and then Oklahoma City and Tulsa are also in this. But if you would like a more in-depth video about that, check out my video I made earlier today on my main channel and on the Georgia Storm Trackers channel as well. This video is mainly though for the day 2 risk, which has been upgraded a lot. So now it is there's a moderate risk inside of this enhanced risk, which is a 4 out of 5, and this one has a 15% significant tornado risk, so that is even higher than April 1st's tornado risk, which is the day I'm recording this. But that is an even higher risk of tornadoes than today. And then there's a larger 10% significant risk around that. But that 15% significant tornado risk does include Columbus, Ohio, Cincinnati, Ohio, Dayton, Ohio, Canton, Ohio, and Springfield, Ohio. And that 10% significant area also includes Nashville, Tennessee, Louisville, Kentucky, Lexington, Fayette, Kentucky, Akron, Ohio, and Bowling Green, Kentucky as well. And then there's a 10% area, just non-significant, surrounding that, and Pittsburgh is actually included in that. But Chattanooga is also in that 10% risk as well. And then there's a extremely large 5% tornado risk surrounding that. That goes from Tallahassee all the way up to Cleveland, Ohio. There's also a upgraded risk for wind, so now it's a 30% significant risk, which I was expecting, and that does include Bowling Green, Kentucky, Nashville, Tennessee, Louisville, Kentucky, Cincinnati, Ohio, and Columbus, Ohio. There's also a 30% significant hail risk surrounding that, and that does include Cincinnati, Ohio, and Columbus, Ohio. Looks like it was just updated here, actually. Yeah, so Birmingham, now you're very close to that 10% risk for tornadoes, but you're still just in 5%. And then also on April 3rd, which is day 3, there will be a marginal risk, and that's a 5% risk of severe weather. But I do believe this will be upgraded to the fact that day 2's risk was upgraded so high from what it had been. So we will be watching for that. And if you read the discussion, they do talk about that. And there's also a 90 to 110 knot mid-level jet, so that's going to be very supportive for tornadoes on day 3, and that is also partially why I think there will be that upgrade to at least a slight risk, possibly maybe a small enhanced risk as well. Alright, that is all I have for right now. Just stay tuned for any updates, and if they do upgrade this or change anything, I will have another video out. And there will also be another video tomorrow. Alright, just stay weather aware, keep your alerts on, and stay safe. See ya.